Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn portfolio links using Notion step by step clearly. Start by opening Notion on your device. Log into your Notion account. Create a new page by clicking on the plus button. Name the page something relevant, like LinkedIn portfolio links. You can choose a blank page or use a template if you prefer. Next, gather your portfolio links that you want to restore. Open your LinkedIn profile to access your projects or featured sections. Copy the links of each project you wish to include. Return to Notion and paste the links into your new page. You can format the links using Notion's features for better organization. Consider adding a title for each link to provide context. Highlight each link and use the link option in Notion to make them clickable. Add descriptions under each link to explain the content or purpose. If you have images or media, upload them into Notion to enhance the page. You can organize the links in a table or list format based on your preference. Use the toggle feature if you want to hide details until clicked. Once completed, review the layout and make adjustments as needed. Now, export your Notion page if you want a backup. Go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. Select Export and choose your desired format. After exporting, you can keep a copy for your records. Finally, return to LinkedIn and update your profile with these links. Ensure everything is functioning correctly and looks professional. That's how you restore your LinkedIn portfolio links using Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.